The technology that we use for the design process, the software, is professional grade software. They're not using a kid version of any software. So this software would be used in professional capacities. And while they might not ever use this software again, they are learning how to navigate a complex interface and create something that is really quite complex. And if they can learn how to do that when they're 11 or 12 years old, then when they get to high school, when they get to university, when they are out in the workforce, they can think back and say to themselves, all right, well, if I learned how to 3D model using professional grade software when I was 11 years old, I can learn whatever it is that I'm tasked to learn right now.